if you think about driving a car and you use, and turnarounds, there's lots of metaphors, none are so great, but take the economy of the last 4 years, everybody 10-lane interstate, everybody's hauling ass at 80 miles an hour, everything's fantastic. But we know now we know there's a turn up ahead, right? So everybody's going to go into this turn after flying down the road real fast. If you know anything about, driving race cars or anything, the way you do a turn is you brake hard going in, you accelerate fast going out.
Mm-hmm.
That's the exact same thing you got to do with the business. I mean, right now, today, quite frankly, weeks ago, people need to be stomping on their brakes, hoarding cash, doing their cuts, raising prices, moving their balance sheet around, doing everything absolutely possible, and get in a position. And let's say, the virus is going to peak in 3 months, and the stock market will start looking good in 6. You should be jamming the gas at month 3 coming out of it.
Do you think that? I almost feel like peak panic will be in 3 weeks, early April.